Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Living Uniquely with myself, Sharon Brown. I hope you are all doing well on this Wednesday morning. I am coming in today to clear the frequency of white noise out of your energetic field, so out of you. So some of you may know what white noise is, some of you may not. To me, white noise is like the frequencies from can be anything detrimental to our body that is not fully aligned, that is not of a higher frequency. So it can be other people's energy, it can be energies that come off our phone, energies that come off all that are smart tablets, phones, computers. It'd be the stuff that the media is sending out, basically all negative stuff that is around us. So I am actually clearing that out of our field. That was the energy, that was the guidance that I received that we needed to do today, was to clear and bring us back into full balance. Because we are in the eclipse season, everything is heightened, guys, and we are having solar flares, and a lot of stuff is really being thrown at us at the moment. So it's allowing us to really step out of it, clear anything negative out of our energy, and just allowing ourselves to really come back into ourselves. And I'm calling in the energy of the wolf, because we're going to be working with the wolf to bring in the balance and the protection that we need. So I'm going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. So we're going to unhook and unleash from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. Unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. And allowing your energy to fully drop into you, your I am presence. Dropping into the here and the now. Just allowing yourself to come back into you, just you. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling. Sorry, not wanting to change anything. And letting go of expectation, whatever that looks, whether it's yours or somebody else's, just dropping that energy of expectation. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in and bring your awareness to your heart. And as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, into your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into that inner cities, right down into that whale matrix, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into your whale, your inner cities, your dolphin, into your earth star chakra, pulling your earth star chakra all the way down, right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor your energy into your rightful place. Feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, fully anchoring you in. And feeling the second part of the grid come up to fully seal in your earth star chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root, and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Now I'm calling in the energy from source. Pure, unconditional love of the highest vibration. Dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra so your intuition can be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra so you can hear divine guidance. Into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D and allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. Into your heart so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body and fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness, oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energy, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember, and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward. Right down into your earth star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart. Doing a 360-degree around your heart chakra. Feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body, every part of your being. Allowing you drop right down into that stillness, into that oneness, into that 0 point. Where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just allowing. Now the beautiful, beautiful wolf is stepping forward. I might have my two here. So your wolf is stepping forward and helping us clear this white noise out of our systems, whether it be your auric field, your nervous system, whatever it is, right down to that cellular memory and that 12 DNA strand, and bringing in balance. Yamanan ye patado do 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 ye manan ye manan ye manan ye nyana man yen 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 ye pado ye poo chala ma whoop to lo me oh la la maya mam ya pa chelelele to lelele manana maya manana ye man ye Chilele ma pa 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 pa. Woo. G na na na. Soon na na na. Me. Jalala ma 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 ma. Ni 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 ni. Do. 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 Mau. Le 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 le. No 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 niep 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 nya la 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 mau. Chilililutu 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 tu 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 tu. Jayama na 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 kuya pasyamati. Now I'm going to flood your whole energy field with a beautiful, beautiful, highest vibration of pure white diamond light. Just feel that sparkly energy of high frequency diamond white light moving through your body. Right down to that 12 DNA strand, the cellular memory. Into every atom, every being, your endocrine system and any systems that's running within the body. Kuya, siya, mala, tu, to every organ, kiyamata, through your bloodstream, kananasya matala, to every layer of your skin, right out into your auric field, and placing a beautiful, beautiful bubble of pure protection. Kunono siya matala, anietia siya matule e keya suya me ko ye. So feeling your chakras being spun 3 times to the right, koso ye yete, 3 times left, kasu neye, and 3 times to the right, kuna sa mehi. And the wolf is saying, be grounded at all times and just allowing yourself to be in balance at all. Kuno no siya matalana nakateya siyata kuye se na deye. So cross your hands over your knees and fully anchor in that energy, and slowly bring yourself back to the here and the now. Yeah, so with the beautiful wolf there, bringing us in balance. So just feel, I actually feel so much more grounded than I did. Just feel my energy is so much clearer. So yeah, you might need to listen to this a couple of times. It's always going to be there. It'll be on my YouTube channel and it'll be on my Facebook and of course the Instagram. So if you need to dip in and out of clearing that energy out of your field, so really allowing yourself to come back to you. So guys, thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the replay. And if you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. And of course, I have only 2 places left for my retreat. So if you are interested, DM me, and have a magical day, guys. And I will talk to you all again tomorrow. Take care. Bye.